seriously easy pumpkin pie. This is literally the easiest pie recipe you will ever make. Well, a baked one anyway. It's pumpkin pie with just a couple of ingredients. If you've never had success at making pumpkin pie, stop, make this one, because it will work, I promise.
We're gonna start off with pumpkin puree. I'm using a full can, 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. Make sure you're not all using pumpkin pie mix, but use pumpkin puree. Just put that into a large bowl. Then to that, you're gonna add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure to get sweetened condensed, not evaporated, because it has all the sugar in it. You want that sugar. You're gonna add 2 large eggs, a half of a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Just whisk that together until it's smooth. It's just that easy. You don't even need a mixer. This is really no fail. This is a viral TikTok recipe. Once it's all mixed together, you just pour it into your pie crust that is in a 9-inch pan. This is just a regular standard 9-inch pie plate. I love the glass Pyrex plates the best. Cover it with a pie shield, bake it at 425 for 10 minutes, and then lower the temperature to 350 to finish baking.
Use my homemade pie crust, which I will link down below, or use one from the refrigerated section or frozen section, which I will not judge you and no one else will either. See how easy it is? It's just dump, mix, and bake. It's like no fail pumpkin pie, and it's really, really good. You're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it.